Not to his peace is the most profound diagnosis of the predicament that face humanity and the entire Earth world at this time in history. I have, in all the studies that I've done in my entire career at the UN, not come across a book that is as significant and as consequential as Not to His Peace. It offers a new paradigm for personal and collective transformation, and as such, it offers a phenomenal, a remarkable vision.